So, Samsung is gearing up for one of its boldest moves yet, the launch of its very first tri-folding smartphone, which could arrive before the end of this year. While we wait for the official unveiling, leaks have already started painting a clear picture of what this futuristic device might bring to the table, especially in terms of software and multitasking. The phone is expected to launch under the name Galaxy Z Trifold, and if the rumors are accurate, it's shaping up to be a game changer. At the heart of this innovation is a massive 10.1-inch internal foldable display. Unlike the Galaxy Z Fold series, which only allows 3 apps on screen, but squeezes 2 of them into cramped windows, the Z Trifold is reportedly solving that issue. With its wide canvas, Samsung is said to be introducing a feature called Split Trio, which allows you to run 3 full phone-sized apps side by side, no compromises, no tiny unusable panels. For multitaskers, this is the kind of upgrade that could completely redefine productivity on a smartphone. Another key feature spotted in leaks is how Samsung is handling the transition between the cover screen and the foldable display. The Z Trifold will mirror 3 home screens from the outer display directly onto the larger internal display. This means when you unfold the device, you instantly get a familiar layout across 3 panels, making the experience feel seamless and highly efficient. Of course, not everyone may want their setups mirrored, and just like on current foldables, Samsung is expected to offer the option to disable this feature for more customization. On the software side, the device will likely debut with One UI 8.5 running on top of Android 16, bringing Samsung's latest foldable-focused optimizations. Even better, it's rumored to carry Samsung's new promise of 7 years of Android updates, putting it right up there with the brand's flagship lineup when it comes to long-term support. Now let's talk about performance and hardware. The Galaxy Z Trifold is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring top-tier performance for heavy multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Camera-wise, reports suggest a triple-lens setup similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, so you can expect solid photography capabilities without compromise. On top of that, the phone is said to feature a slimmer body design and a larger battery compared to the Fold 7, something users have been demanding for years. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Z Trifold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.